welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to use data in the flight mode. Let's get started, guys.